I lost most of my lower teeth, partly in an accident and partly just from neglect of them. I desperately needed, for work reasons, not to have some sort of smile that wasn't embarrassing, and I did a lot of research on the web to try and find the company I thought was best. It was just the research I did on the web, your testimonials that I saw there. Convinced me that, I mean, there's a load of companies in the business, but you seemed a good one, and I've not regretted that decision. I'm having a complete lower jaw replacement, four on one teeth replacement. I was originally going to have both sets, both upper and lower jaws, but after talking to your surgeon, I decided that just to keep some of the sensations of the teeth, I'm having cosmetic work done on the upper jaw, and the lower one is going to be a complete replacement. Yes, it's not complete yet, but so far I'm delighted. It makes a big difference to me. I'm actually, on occasions, I have to appear on television in my job, and the state that my teeth were in before I went for this, that was becoming awkward. It was actually affecting me professionally as well as personally. So even though I'm in the midway of the treatment, and I still haven't got the final set of lower teeth, it's already greatly increased my confidence, greatly increased my ability to smile without embarrassment. I can't deny that the first day was painful. I mean, I had sedation, but in the aftermath of that, a few hours after, as the sedation wore off, then there was a fair degree of pain, and I also had to get used to not eating solid food for some days after that, and I actually found that much harder than I expected. I do like a nice steak. Charming, highly professional, a really nice guy, and all the staff that I've met have gone out of their way to make things work really well. It's highly professional, it's clean, it's hygienic, it's efficient, and my experience has been a delight. Professional, effective, worthwhile. Yes, I would very much recommend you to friends and family. I already have done, and I'd show off my new temporary smile every possible occasion.